Uh, Today we are what we are starting by what from biology. We are starting biology. So the area of biology that we are starting today is what is classification. Classification. Classification of what of plants. Plants are being classified into five. One, the schizophyta. Two, the talophyta. 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 Three, the bryophyta. Bryophyta. Four, the pteridophyta. And five, the trichophyta. Trichophyta. These are the five classification of plants. The five classification of plants from the what from the schizophyta to the tylophyta to the bryophyta to the pteridophyta and the what and the trichophyta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the what? They are the classification of plants. And this classification of plants also from 1 to 5, these are the ways in which what they are developed. They are developed. They develop from the what from the schizophyta, go to talophyta, to bryophyta, to pteridophyta, and to trichophyta. Meaning that the schizophyta are the what are the most primitive of all plants. Of all plants, they are the most primitive of others. From which what? From which other are being developed? From which other are being developed? In essence, meaning that what? The characteristics of this schizophyta will be possessed by the what? By the tylophyta. But not that schizophyta will have the characteristics of what? Of talophyta. Also, the characteristics of talophyta will be possessed by what? By the bryophyta, and not that what? The characteristics of bryophyta will be possessed by the tylophyta. The trichophyta, the pteridophyta will have the characteristics of the what? Of the schizophyta, talophyta, and bryophyta, and in conjunction with its own characteristics. While the trichophyta, which is the what most vascular and was most developed plants, we have the characteristics of all the four others, except one thing. And what is that? The what? The nucleus. The nucleus. Here, in what? In schizophyta. In schizophyta, there is no what? A definite nucleus. So in schizophyta, there is no what? Definite nucleus. Meaning that no definite nucleus, no definite nucleus, no definite nucleus. As a result, the what? The bryophyta, the pteridophyta, the talophyta, and the what? And the trichophyta, they have what? They have all have what? All have what? Nucleus. So let's begin with what? The characteristics. Characteristics of what? Of schizophyta. Schizophyta. Mind you, when we say fighter means what? Means plants. Means plants. That's the reason why that what? In the diagram we have shown before, the schizo has fighter, the bryo has fighter, the tricho has fighter, the talo has fighter, and the pterido they has fighter. They all have fighter at the end of their what? At the end of their word. Meaning that what? They are plants, but they are different plants. Now let's begin with the characteristics of what of schizovital rather. Schizovital, we have said the main thing in schizovital is that they have no definite nucleus. They have no definite nucleus. That not that they don't have nucleus, but they have no definite nucleus that you can see that this is a particular nucleus they have. That's the reason why they are what? They are primitive. They are primitive. They are primitive. One, they are primitive. Primitive. That's their first characteristics. The second characteristic is that what? They have no definite nucleus. No definite nucleus. Nucleus. Another characteristic is that what? They have when you say an organism have no definite nucleus, it is called prokaryotics. Prokaryotics. Karyotics. Prokaryotics. An organism that have what? A definite nucleus is called eukaryotics. But when an organism doesn't have a definite nucleus, is called prokaryotics. Number three in their characteristics is that they are what? They are what? The Monera family. The Monera family. Because in this Monera family, they have no definite nucleus as well. And the example we have in this schizovital are what? Are the most common example. They are the blue green algae. Blue green algae. They are the blue green. That's the most common of all others. That's the most common of all others. They are what? It is what? Blue green algae. So let's begin with what? With Salophyta. 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 So the what? The Salophyta. This what? They are advanced than the schizophyta. Why did they advance than the schizophyta? Because they were now one. They have what? Nucleus. They possess nucleus. And that's the reason why they are called eukaryotics. They are called eukaryotics. Secondly, they are what? They are multicellular. But their own limitation is that no definite root, leaves, and shoots. No definite root, leaves, and shoots.